Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on wherever you are right now. It's your boy, your coach, your friend, David Achom. And how are you doing today? How are you doing today? You know how we do it, right? How are you doing today? Drop your location and drop how you are. So this class is going to be very powerful, yes, very short. I will make it very short, but very powerful. Very powerful class today. First of all, tell me, how are you doing today? How are you doing today? Tell me. How are you doing today? Talk to me. How are you doing today? As for me, I'm very okay. I'm very fine. As for me, I'm very fine. Good morning, Aloha. Good morning, Coach Ondo State. Good morning, boss. Good morning, boss. We are other responses. This, like, we have interactive classes. Okay? So, where are you right now? Where are you connecting from? We were late today. Many things happened. But where are you right now? Talk to me. Talk to me. I want to see your responses. If not, I'm not even going to continue with the classes. All right? Because what I want to teach you today is something that changed my trading game. I'm not here to do too much talk. I'm here open the slides because I prepared slides for today's class specifically. Open the slides, teach you what I want to teach you, and I'm out. Okay? And trust me, I'm out. So make the most of it. How are you today? Patrick Oluwakemi, I remember you. How are you doing now, Patrick? Patrick is a very good person. She's been my student since 2021. Yeah. No, 2022. I remember, early 2022. That was when she joined us. Very good person. Very good person, actually. All right. Not too much long story. Let's jump right into today's class. Okay. So today I'm going to be teaching on something powerful. It's called Market Analysis Overview. It's called what? Market Analysis Overview. Market Analysis Overview. I prepared slides for it, so you can be rest assured that you're going to have value today. A lot of them, actually. So let's jump right into it. You know, we have different types of analysis in the financial market. If you're a trader, you understand already that there's what we call technical analysis. Is the application of historical price action in determining future price movement. So you use the charts. What has price done before? Okay, through this we can guess what price will do next. But the market is almost like a cycle. Keeps going and going and going and going and going. It's not just a perfectly elastic cycle. You understand? Meaning something that can happen now instead of the sequence to continue according to the time. It might now delay for another 2 years before that will repeat itself, but it will repeat itself. So technical analysis is the application of historical price action in determining future price movements. So key factors are market trend, price action, volume and momentum, supply and demand. Market trend, you know what that means already, higher and lows following the market. So consecutive higher highs and higher lows, or the reverse. Now we have price action. Price action is looking at what price is doing, all right, and understanding the movement of price. Volume and momentum is knowing when the price is going to move the most. Okay, when and where. That's what determines volume and momentum. Where and when and where price will move the most. While supply and demand obviously are areas in the market that the most activities are going to go on. You know, and those are where price is like traders are waiting to take action from. That's the supply and demand. Okay. However, an understanding of price action gives you almost all the information on the remaining factors, actually. So I gave you 4 factors. If you understand price action well, you would almost understand every other thing. You understand? You'd almost understand every other thing. So let's go to the next one. We have fundamental analysis, which is the study of social, economic, and political factors that affect currency, supply, and demand. Now look at it. This is not historical price action. This is social, economic, and political factors. So fundamental analysis talks about what's going on in the environment. How does that affect the market? So key factors, we have interest rates, we have gross domestic product, we have industrial production, we have consumer price index. Please take screenshot of this so that you can go and do research on it. I've thought on it. I may just brush over it some other time, but for today's class, this class is supposed to be short. I will not brush over it. However, I will list them out so you can possibly go and do your research. Consumer price index, we have retail sales, unemployment rate, national debt levels. These are different news you see on forexfactory.com that they tell you, okay, we have news in 10 minutes, we have news at 3 p.m. All of these news, if you understand them, you will know what price is supposed to do. All right. So pay attention to them. By the third, we have sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is study of the mindset and action of traders and investors in order to predict future price action. So you are trying to play on someone else's intelligence or play through someone else's intelligence. You understand? So if someone already knows what will happen in the market, look at the time I wanted to sell GBP and someone I respect so much. This was when I was just starting out actually. So I would not mention his name. Person posted buy. I mean, I was at this seeing a sale, and I changed. I started buying, and price sold massively. So what happened there? I was sentimental. I analyzed the market technically. I saw my zones. However, I was sentimental in terms of my decision making, and I ended up trading according to what he said we should do in the market. So what are key factors in sentimental analysis? We have what we call commitment of traders reports. Commitment of traders reports. Go and do your research. It's a very, very useful information, and it has guided by trading over the years. It will guide you also. They release it every Friday. Every Friday. Commitment of traders. It tells you how many open positions, closed positions, each broker recorded. Then we have futures open interest. Futures open interest. We have futures open interest. Then next we have position summaries by traders, by brokers. Position summaries will tell you what traders did during the week. So most of them took buy positions. There's that summary by brokers. It's also a key factor in sentimental analysis because if you can get it, if most traders sold that week, you can now go to the market and look out for what they're expecting in the new week. Same with commitment of traders. Sorry, if most traders were selling and they left their sale open, meaning they are still expecting more sales, commitment of traders reports will record that figure. And you can use that to guide their own trading. However, I just love to stick with technical analysis. I don't like others as much as I like technical analysis because to me it's simple, easy, and straight to the point. Okay. I will not brush on modify today, technical analysis. I will not touch on that because that's supposed to be for only those that are paid for the program. However, next week Monday, by God's grace, I pray I don't forget. Next week Monday, I'll be able to brush on it. If I forget, please someone remind me. So I can brush on technical analysis. I will go in depth on it. I'll teach you guys for free also. Okay. But I told you this class is going to be short. I kept my word. Now it's time for questions. and then we'll call it a day. Because I've got to run out. I have an outing. I have 3 seminars today and 1 class. Seminar is different from class, in case you don't know. Class is me, I'm learning. Seminar is me, I'm teaching. Okay? I have 3 seminars, 1 class today. So I've got to do that. Ask me questions before we call it a day. I'll give you another 5 minutes. I'll wait here for 5 minutes. Ask any question at all. But don't tell me to look at it. Okay, wait, let me just, for the sake of those that needs to see and know what market wants to do this week, let me look at the charts for you guys. Remember we had this sale from the other time and price did 200 pips down. I still expect more sales though. No, I've not done proper analysis because throughout last week I didn't trade at all. I traveled. Look at my last trade was Friday now. The week before. I didn't trade throughout last week. I did not trade at all. Throughout last week. So you guys please permit me. I'll have to do a proper analysis and I'll send it over to you guys. But I'm already seeing change of trend to the downside. Look at, we're seeing consecutive higher highs, higher lows. See low, high, low, high, low. Failed to make a new high, failed to make a new low. So let's just pick this high because this high was the one that came down into this new low right here. So right now we have seen a break of 2 structures. All we can expect is for price to move up, give us more confirmations, and then drop further. That's all we can expect. But I will do a proper analysis and send to you guys, don't worry. But for now, just stay jiggy, stay jiggy. Any question, like I said earlier, I'll be looking out for sales, but I'll do a proper analysis and share with you people before the end of tomorrow. Actually, early enough tomorrow. Today I'm going out. Today is busy, so early tomorrow before noon, you'll have gotten signal from me. Free signal, by the way. I'll send you free signal so you can go ahead and make some money with us. Any question? Thanks in advance for the analysis. Oh yeah, you're welcome. I'll do that because I need my big screen to analyze. This my laptop is too small. You understand? I need that my monitor is very wide, so it helps me see the nooks and crannies of the market. I just use my laptop and my phone to monitor the analysis I've already done. I do my analysis on my monitor. You understand? Any question, actually, you guys are not asking me any question, then I'll assume you guys are fine without me today, man. Because I thought on something very deep. Market analysis, I brushed through what technical analysis is, what fundamental analysis is, and what sentimental analysis is. I brushed through all 3. Please talk on other investments you can put your money when you make withdrawal. Okay, so that's a very nice question. When you make a withdrawal, no matter how much it is, don't rush and buy land. I'm sorry. Did I hurt you guys? Don't go and buy land. Don't go and buy land. What you want to do is take that money, open an account with AfriInvest. I'm not promoting them, it's just what I use. Optimus by AfriInvest is the app I use on my phone. Open an account with Optimus by AfriInvest. I love you too, bro. Open an account with Optimus by AfriInvest and fund it with any amount that you can spare to invest. Guess what? They're going to keep saving that money for you. So you have nothing to worry about. The money cannot lose, and it cannot drop because they'll keep adding for you automatically. However, remember Naira is very funny. Um, is GBPSD ready for a sale, please? I just said I don't know, man. So till you tomorrow. Okay. When you make a withdrawal, put some of those money into company stocks. That's what I do on Afri Invest. Or you can use Bamboo, but don't just buy any company stocks. No, buy companies that you're sure will thrive. If you're unsure, you can ask for investment advice from professional investment advisors. That's financial advisors. If you don't have access, sorry, if you don't have access to anyone right now, what you can do is to there are stocks that can never grow old. Number one, Netflix. People are still watching Netflix now. Then there's this new company that came out, Showmax. Buy Showmax. Buy stocks on Showmax. I give you my word. Buy stocks on Showmax. I will buy Showmax stocks rather. You see it on Bamboo also. Showmax. Just buy as much as you can. Then also buy UBA. UBA. Buy UBA stocks. At least I've told you. I'm not an investment advisor. But I'm telling you what I've invested in, and I'm sure would do you a lot of good also. Buy Showmax. Buy what's the word? Buy Showmax. Buy UBA. There's a fly inside my car. I'm expecting the mechanic to come. Yesterday I was driving and I observed that that right leg at the front, beside my right hand passenger, this leg, yeah, that one at the front. I observed that it's shaking, and I don't know what caused that thing. Maybe I enter one gallop by force. I don't know. But I was just saying crack, 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 very loud sound. Then it stopped, and it not make it sound again. But I just want to be safe. So I've called you, dude. You come and fix it. However, like I was saying, yeah, buy Showmax, buy UBA, then buy Airtel. I know say you should buy MTN. No, MTN was good in terms of return on investment, but right now MTN people are complaining too much. So buy Airtel, Airtel stocks. You can also buy MTN stocks, but I still have MTN stocks. But buy Airtel. Most importantly is that Showmax and UBA. You can also buy Transcomputing. Yeah, Transcomputing is a company in Abuja. You can buy their stocks also. They are listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Just put a little money there and you're good. You don't need to put a lot of money, just a little money and you're good. I'm telling you the truth actually. Because that way if you see 15% from here, 10% from here, 30% from here, at least it's money you didn't work for. If you keep all that money by yourself, you probably spend it. So just keep accumulating company stocks. Buy a lot of stocks to the point where you now have money to buy rental properties. Okay? If it's not a rental real estate property, don't buy land yet. Yeah? Don't just go and lock your money. But if you buy land, you lock your money. I have land that I just go and lock, and I'm regretting right now. I'm not lying to you guys. I'm regretting. I wish I can use that money to even buy food safe. Because I just spent tens of millions on those properties and then boom, a little bit stuck. Okay. Do you have VIP platform? Definitely, bro. Okay. VIP elevatortrading.org. Um We have VIP on elevatortrading.org actually. elevatortrading.org/mentorship. That's the VIP platform. Someone say please drop link for us or write name of your application. Come to my Instagram later in the afternoon. Ask me, I'll tell you. Ask me the same question and I'll tell you. I don't want to say it again publicly. You can go and rewind the video and hear it, or you come to my Instagram in the afternoon and I promise to tell you. Okay. In absence of any other question, I think that'll be all from me today. Short class, powerful class, and I'm sure you guys got a lot of value. Right? I'm very sure you guys got a lot of value. That'll be all from me today. Peace out.